Those of you who have been watching my videos for a little while know that I have this little intro thing that I put at the beginning of videos, the full-length ones. Let's watch it together. It's fine. Like, it's not bad. It did exactly what I needed it to do when I recorded it. Just, it doesn't represent the channel as much anymore. You see, when I recorded it, I wasn't really talking so much about photography yet. I wasn't talking as much about theater. I wasn't talking as much about storytelling and just general creation and all that. And it's just too long. If I was making like 30, 40-minute videos, be fine. But I'm not. I'm making these videos. So let's revisit it, see what we can do with it, tinker around with it, tighten it up, you know. Let's get into it. There are certain things from the original that I do want to keep. For instance, I like the little beat and everything I had going. It just went on for too long. So I'm going to do that again. I'm going to use the scrub plane again as the basis of it, and then I'm going to layer more stuff on top of it, but it's only going to go through the little chugga 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 once. This is going to be a sign that comes up at the very, very end. It's going to say, making it up with Dan. I started to carve it, and I made a boneheaded mistake. I put the bevel on the wrong side of one of the letters, and if I leave it, it's going to bug me forever. So I am going to plane it down once again and start over, which is fine. I didn't get that far into carving it, and it gives me a good reason to make that chugga 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 again. Let's do it. Now that I've gotten everything that I needed from the garage in terms of audio and video, I'm going to bring it in here, and I'm going to take the audio and put it into this audio editing software. I'm not going to start in the video editing software because it's just going to bog it down. I'm going to mix it and add whatever I need in here, and then I'll take that over to the video software, and I'll add video to that. Also, if my voice sounds a little bit scratchy, I'm getting over the flu. My son caught the flu from second grade, and now I have the flu. My wife also had the flu, and just 0 stars across the board. I can't recommend it. It's terrible. Avoid the flu. So when I mixed everything together just from what I got in the garage, I got this. Not bad. But I want to add more elements in from the other stuff that I do. So I created this little intro. And so individually, those sounds are this: the sound of a strobe turning on, the sound of a camera lens being clicked into place, the sound of a guitar string being pulled out of the bridge, the sound of a guitar amp turning on. Now I wanted to build up the actual song part, so I added in some camera clicks. Then I added in a first guitar. Then I added in a second guitar. And then I added in a third guitar. And a bass line. Okay, now that I've mixed all that together as a single track, I've exported it, or bounced it really. And now I'm going to take it over to the video software, and I'm going to add everything in that I need to in the video software. Some color grading, some sound leveling, put it all together for this. Crunchy. And I like it. I do. I think it's pretty good. I like that it has a bit of a DIY feel, but it has enough polish that it still looks like I know what I'm doing. It involves a lot more of the stuff that I work with. It's shorter, it's more to the point. All that stuff I said I wanted to accomplish. I feel like it accomplishes it pretty well. Do you agree? Do you not agree? Let me know. Write in the comments. I look forward to your
varying opinions. Thanks so much for watching through to the end of the video. Like everybody always says, comment, subscribe, like, share. We all say it because it does make a difference, just like all of us also always say it makes a difference. I also have a Patreon, and you can go to my Patreon. I would be very, very grateful. Even $1 a month really does help. These are the names of some people that are already helping me out on Patreon. If you would like to see your name here, go and become a patron. Again, I really can't say how much support means to me. I appreciate each and every one of you and every view that I get. Thank you so much, and I'll see you next time. Bye.